Mercedes-Benz is quietly suspending orders on some of its most popular EV models in the US. The German luxury automaker has already halted the order bank for the electric EQS and EQE, both the sedan and SUV models. Why is Mercedes pausing EV orders in the US? Like most of the automotive industry, Mercedes is preparing for significant changes under the Trump administration. According to a new report from Automotive News, Mercedes has already paused orders for several EV models in the US, at least for the time being. The order book for the electric EQS sedan, EQS SUV, EQE sedan, and EQE SUV is now closed for dealers. Mercedes blamed the current market conditions for the decision. Starting September 1st, Mercedes will halt production of the EQS and EQE SUV models at its Vance, Alabama, plant for the US. However, it plans to continue building the electric vehicles at the facility to export to overseas markets. Although dealers can't order any more EQS or EQE models in the US, you can still find some for sale. Mercedes slashed prices by up to $15,000 on its remaining EV models earlier this month. A Mercedes spokesperson told Kelley Blue Book last week that the EQB has reached the end of its life cycle as planned, and therefore will not be offered in the US or Canada after model year 2025. Although it cited current market conditions, the changes come as the federal EV tax credit in the US is set to expire at the end of September. Meanwhile, Mercedes is gearing up for the largest product offensive in company history. The new 2026 CLA EV is launching this fall, followed by 2 electric SUVs based on the same MMA platform. Mercedes will also unveil the electric version of its best-selling SUV, the GLC EV, in a little over a month at the Munich Motor Show.